What's up, guys? This is HumbleFx, and today I saw this formation happening right now, and I decided to show you guys this formation. So, guys, you don't want to miss out of this strategy I'm going to show you right now, because it's going to make you a lot of profit, lot of profit, lot of profit. Okay, this strategy, anytime you see something like this, you know that we are in for a big win, guys. Right? You see, I'm trying to grow a small account. This is $10 account. I'm trying to grow it to a certain level and all that. So this is the small account. So all right, now let me show you the reason why this trade was taken, and you see my trend line right here. So don't mind about the chart you are seeing here. I'm just, those ones is a video I will do next. So don't miss out on the next video, because it will be a very nice strategy that I'll give it to you guys. I'll give out for free. So, guys, now let me show you why I take this entry. If you know about trend line strategy, this is the first leg here, the second touch. Now we have to, it now come to the third touch here. So in third touch is where we take our entry comfortably, right? If you read about trend line very well, the third touch is where we should take our entry comfortably. It doesn't matter the time frame you are using, though the higher the time frame, the higher the accuracy of the trade you are taking. So this is actually a 30 minutes time frame. Let me check it on a 1 hour time frame. Let us see what is happening there. I think it's still the same thing we are seeing there. We are still seeing the same thing right about there. And watch out, something happened here. Here at this point here we have equal high, right? So we don't expect price to get to that point right now. We want price to go down from here downside. So that is an equal high here. So price came there and reacted. So right now, if price should by chance come back here again, we should still sell at that particular point. But right now we are using the trend line as our entry module. Okay, let us check on M15. I think all these things have the same scenario, but it is clearly on 30 minutes time frame. That is where the trend line actually formed very clearly. Simple as that. And you see that I want to take this account to $13. That is, we're getting up to 300% of the equity. That is crazy. That is very crazy, guys. Now let me see if I can see another formation on another pair, maybe the same formation on crash 1000. Let me see if I will see that right here. You see, I actually take a trade here, but I closed early enough. You see my trend line, the same thing happened here. We had the first touch, the second touch, and then the third touch. I took a trade here, but actually I closed early. So you see that it is still moving upside. If I'm still in that trade, I should be in good profit right now. I should be in a very good profit right now, because it's actually respected that trend line. You could see my inner trend line right here. It broke out of that trend line before the massive buy continues. You see that I had two trend line here. I have the inner trend line, which is the one you are seeing here. This other one here, let me make it bold enough so that you can see it very clearly. I think I had a trend line here. This is my inner trend line, and it's actually very bold. Let me make it black. Yeah, you see that was my inner trend line, and I have an outer trend line which I used for the buy setup. These are simple strategy that you can use to make good profit for yourself right here and right now. Now let me go back to that boom 500 and show you more stuff right there. Okay, you see that. Now the first thing we established here is that it is on the trend line. Right now, the second thing I was established is that you see that my line is on a psychological level. Let me make it clear. You see that my line, I have 800. That is this line, this black line here. I can make it 800. I think that is psychological level. You see that is where the price get to. Immediately the price touched it. It is a confluence, guys. That is a confluence with my trend line. So if I see something like that, I'm certain that I'm going for a good sell. Now if you notice in between also, you will see something happening right here. Look at this place. Okay, so all these things are factors that made that particular place my entry point. It's not only the trend line that made me enter. I had other confluences there, which is this level here. This is a rejections there, which I see as a supply. Right now, the psychological level 3800, then the trend line which I saw on a 30 minutes time frame. So all of these things contributed for this particular trade that you are seeing right here, moving crazily good. All right, now this setup is actually dropped on the Telegram channel. If you want to get the you want to join and be getting free signals once it drops, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment on the comment section, and also join the Telegram channel. You are actually going to benefit a lot. All right, this is just the simple strategy that once ever you see something like that, you are going to take your trade. So where is your take profit? Where do you expect to take your profits? You will see you see I have my black line. We are teach you to trade and take profit at the nearest zone. All right, actually zone to zone. Say here is the nearest zone. Here is the nearest zone. So the trend line you see here, this is actually another place you should take your profits. That particular box, which is the black line I drew, that is 3770. At least that is going to be 30 pips. 30 pips. That is not a small profit if you get that. That is actually a nice profit if you get that. All right, so this is what it is, and see you in the next video. Enjoy.